Bonjour year 4. Our topic for today's lesson is Dans l'espace. Please use your headphones for best experience. Do you remember year 4? Last week, I had gone from the earth to the universe. From my house to the universe. This week, let's see what am I going to experience in the universe? What am I going to see in the universe? All right, so let's go for a ride. Let's see what are we going to come across while we are in the universe. All right, are you ready? Now, let's start with our learning objective. Can I express and understand Don Lespar's story? Success criteria. Grow. I can recognize and memorize the French vocabulary. Flourish. I can link the vocabulary to understand the story. Succeed. I can create sentences on my own for questions asked on this topic. Pour commencer, French phonics. La lune, la lune, les étoiles, la nuit, la fusée. Now, between these two words, les étoiles and la nuit, can you see the letters in red? Yes, which means they are silent letters. We do not pronounce them. It's les étoiles, la nuit. And the last one, la fusée, E with an accent aigu at the end, you pronounce it as E. E with an accent aigu, you pronounce it E. So it becomes la fusée. Now, let's get into our story. I'm sure you're excited to listen to what's happening in the universe now. La nuit, je regarde le ciel. Je rêve que je suis astronaute. Je monte à bord d'une fusée. La fusée est rapide. J'adore les fusées. Je vois la lune. La lune est belle. J'adore la lune. Je vois des étoiles. Les étoiles sont brillantes. J'adore les étoiles. Je vois la terre. La terre est jolie. J'adore la terre. Je vois des planètes. Les planètes sont grosses. J'adore les planètes. Oh, je vois un extraterrestre. Il est petit et vert. Il est mignon. J'adore les extraterrestres. Je ne vois pas le soleil. Le soleil dort. Moi aussi, je veux dormir. Au revoir le ciel. Au revoir la lune. Au revoir les étoiles. Au revoir la terre. Au revoir les planètes. Au revoir l'extraterrestre. Dormez bien. Et toi, aimes-tu regarder le ciel la nuit? Aimerais-tu faire une promenade sur la Lune? Connais-tu les noms des planètes? These are some of the questions that you may think and answer. But before we move into our last activity, can I ask you something? Did you enjoy listening to this story? I loved this story. I hope you too enjoyed as much as I did. Here comes our today's task. It will take at least 20 minutes for you to complete. We have these questions over here which I just asked at the end of the story. Et toi, aimes-tu regarder le ciel la nuit? Aimerais-tu faire une promenade sur la lune? Connais-tu les noms des planètes? All right. So you are going to be answering these three questions. Aimes-tu regarder le ciel la nuit? Aimerais-tu faire une promenade sur la lune? Connais-tu les noms des planètes? You will be using these sentences over here to answer these questions. All right? Remember, these are the sentence starters for these questions over here. For example, the first one is Aimes-tu regarder le ciel la nuit? Now, if you want to know the meaning of this sentence, you can go back to the previous slide, just rewind it, and then find the meaning, which is given in English over there. All right. Now, if you want to answer this, this is an opinion question. So you need to say whether you like or you don't like, you love or you hate. So these opinion sentences you've already learned. I've given one over here, and the rest of the sentences you would think on your own and you would try to create your own sentences. All right. Let's move on to the next question. Next one is Aimerais-tu faire une promenade sur la Lune? And for this question, you would either answer yes, I would like to do a walk or go for a walk on the moon, or you would say no, I would like to do, and if you would like to do something else, you could write that. But then if you want to find out new words, you could use your French dictionary, or you may also use wordreference.com. All right. And the last question, connais-tu les noms des planètes? Now, do you know the names of the planets? We have never done in class the names of the other planets. So you could check in wordreference.com what is the meaning of what's the French translation for the planets? All right. And then you could write them down. You could take it up as a challenge and learn the names of the planets, and you could showcase it in your task. And then you could take a picture of it, your work, and then you could post it on Seesaw for me to give you a feedback. All right. I hope you understood. Now let's move on to the expectation criteria. When you write in full sentence. Use the words learned in the lesson. All right. If you want to use new words, please use dictionary or wordreference.com for help. Challenges, try to write at least names of 5 different planets in French. All right. And remember to upload your work on Seesaw at the right place. And now, follow our YouTube channel, Easy French at GFS. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you get recent updates or notifications about the lessons. All right? Au revoir.